Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to walk you through on the process on how to install and set up your app, Zurmo Action Automation for Workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace and search for the app. Then you click on it. Click on Install and choose the account where you want to install it. Then you click on Continue and you head over to Allow and Install and you click on it. Then you are going to see a page with a custom menu link. Copy the custom menu link. Go back to your account, click on Settings, scroll to Custom Menu Links and click on Create New, insert an icon. Give a title and paste the link right over here. You give a sidebar preference and choose an account. Then you give a role-based visibility and click on Save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch to your account and you click on it. Then the first interface of the app is going to pop up with the app that has not yet been set up nor connected. Click on the connect icon and the second interface is going to pop up where you're going to see all the necessary features such as documentation and everything you need to get started with the app is right in here. We have the smart queue video and the walkthrough configuration video that is going to guide you on how to get necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. Let's walk you through how to configure and set up your app. Click on Start Setup and you insert all this information that will be given to you when you create your account online. Once you're done inserting all this information, you click on Complete Setup. And there you go, your app will be successfully configured. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for our team and as well book a call with our support team. We have the changelog feature to track all the updates and improvements on this specific app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and you click on subscribe. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Thanks for watching.